I come again with the solution for this. Now it is the same question I'll show you. Now let's see, for example, over here. So question, if you notice here, if you apply your this thing 2ix, okay, plus ix would be equal to 0 here. So basically your 3ix happens to be equal to 0, right? Now what you need to know is basically if you keep this point as, and this point is your V2, let's say. So your, if you see 2 minus divided by 1, okay, this is the value of your Ix. Okay. And now what is the Norton current? Is the short circuit current across this path. If you notice, if I short circuit this, my value would be equal to 3 times Ix. Correct? It is my, okay, minus C. So since this is short circuit, so this terminal is connected to 0. So that means all the negative potential here, so this is 0. So this would be, I can write my Vx by minus 3 Vx, so which would be equal to 4 equal to 6. So if I carefully 6 by 4, now in the meet the value of current, Vx would be equal to, so that value is there 3 by 1, or this also. I'm flowing from here to here, right? Button is nothing but 1. So I got this as 3 by 2. Now for the same circuit, this 2 volt, rest is okay. This is my, and once I test source here, this just like this. So, and from here to here, my Ix is flowing. You notice here, what will be the potential? I told you, because see, this would be, if this potential, if I took as 0, this, so if I took this as 0, notice here also, same page, just a second. So yeah, I had done it with a different method earlier. Okay, so if I'm applying a 1 ampere test source, okay, here I'm short circuiting it. Okay, so I'll apply this 1 ampere test source. Just this would be my 1 amperes of test source. This is 1 ampere of test. Now my R Thevenin would be the R Thevenin would be divided by this 1 amp. Okay, so I need to get the value of this. You notice this value is 0, right? So this 0 value. Now if you, that means this potential is Vx over here. Okay, so that means if I go through this circuit, so Vx would be equal. Vx is basically the potential between Ix minus Vx divided by 1 ohm, right? So therefore your Vx would be equal to, here Vx is equal to minus Ix. Now here, since I have applied this 1 ampere, so 1 ampere is entering. Now you see all three are entering. So apply this Vx node 1. So at node 1, when I apply that, what is going to happen? This Ix plus equal to V, that is 4 by 3. Cross multiply also I can do. See, I just in the previous lecture that also I know that so if I just calculated the, this value was equal to 4 by 3. So hence verify is equal to. So those of you follow, give loads of love. Thank you very much.